Hey there everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basis. And on today's video, I'm gonna show you how to connect your Supercell ID to your Clash of Clans. So without further ado, let's get started. Once you're in your game, just go to its settings. It should be located at the right side of the screen. Here, you can see your Supercell ID is shown as disconnected. So tap on disconnected to just connect your Supercell ID. Now just tap on next, next, and get started. Now just tap on login and continue and put in your email in the text box. Once you put in your email, just tap on login. Now Supercell will send a verification code to your email address. Just go to your email address and get that verification code and paste it in the box below. Once you put in your code, just tap on submit. Now just tap on confirm to load any saved data that's in your Supercell ID. As you can see now, the Clash of Clans is connected with my Supercell ID. So just tap on OK. And that's it. You can see my Supercell ID is now connected with this Clash of Clans. Now, if you have any question or run into any trouble, just leave a comment below and I'll try my best to help you guys. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more gaming tips. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss a future video. Thanks for watching.